In this quick tip video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11's built-in web server, Internet Information Services. Internet Information Services is the web server that's available for both Windows Server and Windows Client operating systems, including Windows 11. If you ever wanted to run a web server on your local area network off an old Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, Internet Information Services provides you with an option. Here I'm signed onto a Windows 11 Pro Edition computer with a local admin account. I open Start and in the search area I type Control Panel. Selecting Control Panel takes me to the old school Control Panel. I switch to large icons and then select the Programs and Features item. Doing it this way is muscle memory on my part, but why use some new fangled settings experience when the old method gets the job done? From Programs and Features, I select Turn Windows Features On or Off. On the Turn Windows Features On or Off dialog box, I select the Internet Information Services checkbox. This will install all elements of the Internet Information Services role that are available in the Windows Client operating system. There are some other items in this list that I'll also come back to in future videos. Internet Information Services is now installed. Installing in this manner also automatically configures Windows Firewall with advanced security with the appropriate firewall rules to allow inbound HTTP and HTTPS traffic. I can use the search function of the Start menu to locate the Internet Information Services Manager. This is the same console as is available in Windows Server, though Windows 11 doesn't have all the add-in options available in that operating system. Here I navigate down to the default website and see the location of the local website files. These default to c:/i netpub www root. Next, I'll do a bit of on-screen recon to find the IP address and fully qualified domain name of this computer. This lab environment has a standalone Windows Server VM hosting DNS, and I created a host record in advance that maps to the Windows 11 computer's IP address. This record is website.it opstalkdemos.internal. I open up Microsoft Edge and enter the website address into the address bar. The default Internet Information Services splash page appears. I then navigate in the file system using Explorer to c:/i netpub www root. When hosting your own website off Windows 11, just replace the files here with your website files. And that's how you install the Internet Information Services web server on Windows 11.